Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the AP Art History exam. Start by building a study plan that covers global art movements, key works, and visual analysis practice. Break study into focused sessions that target chronology, context, and formal analysis. Use flashcards for artists, titles, and dates, and practice timed questions to refine pacing. Review common themes and compare works across cultures to deepen connections and confidence. Collect reliable images and pair them with concise notes for each work, including medium and location. Use flashcards with one side image and the other side key facts for quick recall. Build a timeline that links movements to historical events to clarify shifts in style and patronage. Practice describing works aloud to strengthen vocabulary and confidence when writing free response answers under exam conditions. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading art history books and museum guides easy on the go, with great battery life and crisp images for studying details. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if it helps your study routine. And now let's get back to the video. Learn to break prompts into tasks and underline action words so every sentence answers the question. Prioritize easier multiple-choice items to secure points, then tackle comparative essays with clear thesis statements. Always cite specific visual details and connect them to historical or cultural context to strengthen your argument. Practice composing concise paragraphs that link evidence to interpretation to maximize clarity and score potential.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.